Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to export data from Podio? Maybe you're switching to a new CRM, or maybe you just need to get a copy of your data for backup purposes. So you're not alone. Many people find it difficult to export data from Podio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Podio in a few easy steps. I'll also provide some tips on how to make the process as easy as possible. What is Podio? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Podio is. Podio is a cloud-based work management software that helps you to organize your projects, tasks, and contacts. It's a powerful tool that can be used by individuals and teams of all sizes. How to export data from Podio. Now that we know what Podio is, let's get started on how to export data from it. Step 1. Log in to your Podio account. The first step is to log in to your Podio account. You can do this by going to the Podio website and clicking on the Sign In button. Step 2. Go to the Workspace tab. Once you're logged in, click on the Workspace tab. This is where you'll find all of your workspaces. Step 3. Select the workspace that you want to export data from. Click on the workspace that you want to export data from. Step 4. Click on the Export button. Once you're in the workspace that you want to export data from, click on the Export button. Step 5. Select the format that you want to export your data in. You can export your data in a number of different formats, including CSV, Excel, and PDF. Choose the format that you want to use. Step 6. Click on the Export button again. Once you've selected the format that you want to export your data in, click on the Export button again. Step 7. Save your exported file. Your exported file will be downloaded to your computer. Save it to a location that you can easily access. Tips for making the export process easier. Here are a few tips for making the export process easier. Export only the data that you need. If you only need a specific subset of your data, you can export only that data. This will help to keep your exported file small and manageable. Use filters to export only the data that you need. You can use filters to export only the data that you need. For example, you can filter your data by date, project, or task. Export your data regularly. It's a good idea to export your data regularly, even if you don't think you need it. This will help to ensure that you have a backup of your data in case something happens to your Podio account. Exporting data from Podio is easy. By following the steps in this video, you can export your data in a few simple steps. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.